All right, Steve Martin, here we are again. We are at Charlotte Center City Partners, Uptown, Charlotte, North Carolina. A beautiful July day. I am walking down the north side of the back office. As I said in my previous video, at one time, partners occupied half of this. When a previous occupant moved out, they took over the rest of it, tore down the walls, expanded the area, and this is what we got. I still think they haven't finished that ceiling, but that's the way it is. A couple of the administration offices. You may have seen this guy, Robert Crumbine. He's the chief, I'll just call him the chief. He's in charge of all the festivities, the Thanksgiving Day Parade, everything else that goes uptown to bring entertainment to the city residents. Moira Quinn, she has been here quite a long time. She used to be with the local CBS News channel here in Charlotte. I'd say channel 2, maybe channel 3. I don't know, I don't watch it. Michael W. Smith, there he is. Michael J. Smith, sorry. Michael W. Smith is the Christian singer, whom I really like. Let me take you over here to the corner so you can see the ballpark, AAA White Sox. Charlotte Knights is down that way. Open up some blinds a little bit so you can see better. And you used to be able to see the Carolina Panthers Stadium to the left, but then they put up that high-rise residential building, and now you cannot. This is looking west. The Charlotte Airport is over there. And as I slowly pan to the right, this table, I could give you my opinion. You just have to try to sit at it without your papers falling off the edge. And this was big bucks. I was the accountant here, full time now. I just come up occasionally to do some additional work. They pay me triple of what I got when I was on full time. Thank you, Lord. Some other desks. I won't stick on them too much. People prefer their privacy. This is the CCCP office uptown. I occupied that desk for a while. Then I occupied this desk when they hired a replacement as I was retiring 7 years ago. And then they moved me to this desk when I came back 4 times, training the new ones, what I had done with Eleni and I. There's a good picture I took. Myself, Karen Smith, Eleni Saunders, and now the new boss, Dennis McIntosh. He's a good guy, I like him. I had these walls covered with photos I had taken just this morning, knowing that I have little time left up here because of things the Lord is preparing for us and my wife. One situation is going to Israel for 3 months, Jerusalem, in fact, beginning October 15th of this year, 2025, for 3 months. Christian Friends of Israel. We will be there. Excited about that. And that would be it. Oh, hold on. I got to show you the boss's office. It's right back in there. Don't mind that guy in the window. This used to be Eleni's office. A little bit crowded. we made it work. So that'll be it. Shalom.